the juice now, man.
What's up, guys? PizzlesTechTime, back again with another quick video. And today, I've got something exciting for you. I've got the Blackout Yeti microphone from Amazon. So why don't we unbox this and see what's inside? So just so you know, I got the microphone, I got the stand, and the pop filter. So let's see what it looks like when you purchase this from Amazon, because I know all y'all are excited to find out. And if you are, make sure you smack that like button, smack that subscribe button, and come on, let's get down on this unboxing, shall we? Alright, we got our second camera running right there, so it doesn't start getting shaky on us. So we're going to open it up right here. Okay, so as we open up the box, I will use my speaker right there to keep it open. We have microphone arm stand right here, and it's by Knox. So, durable articulating boom arm, 3-axis flexible positioning, steel tubing ensures strength and long life, suspension boom scissor. Okay, wow. Looks like the microphone actually comes with Assassin's Creed Origins. I didn't know that. This actually was not advertised. It says $60 value. Okay, so we got here the Blackout Ultimate USB microphone, the Blackout Yeti, and we got 4 settings. Bidirectional, omnidirectional, cardioid, and stereo. So that's pretty awesome. And this box is very heavy. It's a lot more heavy than I expected. And when I purchased this off Amazon, the game was not listed. It was listed on a lot of the other ones, but it wasn't listed on the one that I purchased this on. And last but not least, we've got a really nice pop filter. So that's really nifty. This thing looks pretty high quality. This is by Knox also. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to unbox all this stuff. So first things first, why don't we get started with this right here. The Blackout Yeti. Let's unbox this bad boy, why don't we? I'm pretty excited to get Assassin's Creed Origins. I have it for Xbox, but just to get it again is pretty cool. Okay, so we've got another box inside here. I like the packaging here. It's got a bunch of settings here that you can look at. Got the mute button, master volume, 4-polar pattern for your omnidirectional stereo and everything. 0 latency headphone, mini USB jack, standard threaded mic stand for mount, custom base, USB cable included. Alright, so we're not going to need this box anymore, so let's just open it up, shall we? And let's see what we got in here. Okay, so already I can see this stand, very big. Wow, this thing's good quality. Right off the bat, this thing feels really heavy. I like the way this feels. Feels really good quality. Wow, that is a microphone, guys. It feels solid. Wow, all metal. Doesn't really have any blemishes on it. It feels awesome. So right here you have the stand for where you want to mount your microphone right here, which they state is a standard microphone mount. I wouldn't know because this is my first standard microphone, but I know it's a USB microphone, so they have to state that it's a standard microphone jack, so you can use a standard microphone mount with it, which is awesome. You've got a mini USB to power the device, and a 0 latency headphone jack. So what that means is you're going to get game audio real time. There is going to be no delay. So when that gunshot fires, you're going to hear that gunshot. Or when you're monitoring your audio, when you're talking, Hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, PizzlesTechTime coming at you. When I'm live streaming or when I'm recording audio and I want to make sure it sounds good, I can with zero latency. Zero. You heard that right. Zero latency. And now I gotta say, I'm digging. I like this stand. I'm kind of wishing that I just kept the stand. But from what I heard, when you bang on the table, the microphone picks it up. I believe you would just set the microphone up like this and just talk to it just like that. And they give you this here cable right here. And this cable is very long. I can tell already, very thick. Okay, it's about 6 feet long. Okay, it's over 6 feet long. But overall, clicky mute button and probably a power button. This volume button, alright, doesn't feel like it's gonna come off, but it wobbles. It does wobble a little bit. Okay. But overall, the stand I'm pretty impressed with. This is a rather small box, so let's see exactly what this looks like. Why don't we? Now, let me get a chance to say this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I'm uploading at least 1 video a week, but lately I've been doing 2, sometimes 3 videos a week. So you might want to subscribe to my channel. My channel's PizzlesTechTime. It's a new tech channel. I do all kinds of tech. Anything you might be interested in, I make videos about computers, video games, televisions, drones, pretty much anything you might like. So you might want to subscribe because the channel's about to blow. And I would hate for you guys not to be a part of this family because I help people in the comments. I talk to anybody who wants to talk to me. I'm not big-headed. I'm just a regular guy trying to make tech videos. So if you want to become a part of this community, I would love it if you would do that. So go ahead and subscribe. Thanks, guys. So right here we've got we've got the clamp. Okay, and the arm, and that's it. This thing feels very light. I won't make any judgments, but the microphone feels very heavy, so I don't know how well it's going to hold this heavy microphone. So, the other ones on Amazon looked even cheaper than this one. So when I saw the picture of the Knox arm actually looked the best. So that's why I went with this one. Overall, I think it's pretty nice. What do you think about it, Camilla? Talking to the mic. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo, what it do? Ever. Camilla's the new star of all my videos. Let me get it set up, and we'll do some audio testing towards the end of the video. I set this up right here, and hooked it up to my computer, and what I had to do was just make sure that it wasn't having any issues communicating with my computer. I went to the control panel, and I made sure that it was the default communications device, now that it is connected via USB to my computer. And I also have these Bose speakers connected via USB, so I wanted to make sure that they're both communicating with the computer effectively. One is speakers and one is microphone. So after I did that, I did a little bit of audio testing, and what I found was right now I have the microphone in the cardioid setting, and I have the pop filter on, and I have the gain all the way lowered. Now I'm gonna play you some content from this microphone. So I have the gain all the way lowered on the microphone, guys, and I'm just giving you a test of what it sounds like for me talking normally on the microphone. So here I am talking in an announcer's voice. I have the pop filter on just to give you that feeling that you're gonna get when you talk into a microphone with such passion and enthusiasm, guys. This is incredible. Now I'm gonna be able to do some extravagant voiceovers, like unbelievable voiceovers. So remember to subscribe. Can you believe that guy? He never gives up with that subscribe. I mean, if you want to subscribe, you can, right? What a guy, huh? So overall, I'm pretty pleased with the quality of this microphone. I think I'll have to have some time with it. As for the stand, I'm glad I actually got the one that looked higher quality, because I can't imagine what the other one looks like. It does move pretty easily. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It seems to be holding up pretty well for right now, so I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know if this is the best place for it, but for right now, for this video, and I think because I have such a large desk, I think it's like 70 inches. I don't know if I needed such a large desk, but where it does house my computer, and I am shooting with 2 cameras, I do think that I do use a lot of the real estate. So I do like this Blue Yeti microphone, and hopefully I can use it and make some cool content for you guys. Maybe do some voiceovers when I do some tutorials for the computer. I want to do some cool videos coming up. So that was the unboxing and setup of the Blue Yeti microphone. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, you can follow me at social media at PizzlesTechTime. And remember, stay cool, guys.
Yo, you got the juice now, man.